Okay, here's the living room. Okay, here's the dining. There's a small leak.
Yeah, that's not a small leak. You'll see it in a second.
Here's the kitchen.
So not hateful condition overall. Cabinets are probably salvageable, but that's a radiator right there.
That goes to the backyard.
Here's the backyard. Got a huge backyard.
That backyard's a minimum of 10 grand to clean up. There's your small leak right there.
Here it goes to the basement. Here's the water heater. The furnace. And that's the door that goes to the backyard.
So all that falling insulation, not really a good thing. But what's the number one thing you don't see? Puddles of water. That's a huge bonus for a house like this. That small leak, that whole ceiling has to come down because it's all latten plaster. The entire ceiling's sagging.
Here it goes upstairs. It's one of the bedrooms. She's the biggest room. Here's the extra den. That's the full bath right here.
Now do you see where that small leak is coming from downstairs?
And here's another bedroom. So 2 bedroom, 1 bath.
Did you catch that ceiling sagging? That's a roof issue.